Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's Project Boost ATX for you here in Japan. It's been a while since I made a video. I was in a barracks, but as you can tell, I'm not in a barracks room. I'm actually in a house. So I just moved in with one of my buddies. And as you can see, so right here behind this wall, I guess, it's actually three sliding doors, is my room. But that'll be for another day. If I ever show you guys. But what we're talking about is this corner right here. I know there's really not much, but I'm going to be building myself a desk. This desk from IKEA. So it's actually going to be something I'm going to be utilizing for editing, something for me to use when possibly getting a computer to build. Also, I'm going to start building model cars. I need somewhere to put them because that is just a passion that I have. But let's just start off on the good note. I'm going to show you just a quick video of me putting this thing together. It's just going to be a time lapse of the whole entire thing. Hope you guys enjoy this journey with me while I'm here in Japan. I will be going to the States soon. My wife is pregnant and she will be having our daughter in December. So I'll be happy for that. Hopefully I can make some videos for you guys. Obviously, if not, you guys know, busy in the military, 1. And 2, I'm going to have a daughter, my first kid. So that's going to be another challenge. But enough of me talking. Let's get to the video of me putting this table together. Let's go. Manual. Can't forget the manual. Very important because no way I'm putting all these billion pieces together without a manual. Alright, now for the next box. Alright guys, the desk is finally done. Man, that was a great couple minutes for you guys. A few minutes, definitely not a couple. Took me hours, but here we go. Here is what it looks like behind me. It's all complete. Alright, now let's get it set up, shall we? And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's my mat. I know I have some cords I have to fix. That's going to be something for a later date. But this is my initial startup. Here is my microphone, my Mac, my computer I use. Like I said, I have a PC possibly being built, so we have that. Got my Xbox hooked up, my GoPro, and all my little toys. I do have some more that I just got in the mail, but those will be installed, or not installed, but placed later on. Well, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm more than happy to be able to, tell you guys what I got, what I plan on doing. I did post a couple photos. I will post it on my Instagram as well. and it'll be the shoes. I'm getting into shoes. I always like to dress very nicely. People always know that. I can't go out with wrinkles. I have to match. That's just me, and it's just the way I was raised. So go look at those pics. I am going to be starting to sell these shoes, try and get some extra money here on the side. If you're interested, feel free to let me know, and I'll have some videos on that coming soon. All right, y'all have a great day, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I know we're really small, but eventually maybe we'll get somewhere that you guys will enjoy. All right, see you guys in the next one. See ya. Go ahead, click that video that you see right there and watch it. Also, click that other one right there. You see it? Yeah, that's a subscribe one. And that one at the bottom, that's my Instagram. Go give it a follow and see the latest pics.